Guys, Quinn the Eskimo here. Kodiakotton. See if I can make a biofuel stove out of an old sterno type can. I got the fibers in there. See if I can use this as a wick material and to add the liquid. And I'll do a Canteen Cup Tuesday along with an alcohol stove. We'll see how this works out. Now, I'm optimistic. Theoretically, it should work. So I'm just kind of, I tried to cut this stuff, and you know, it didn't. It's kind of tough. So I'm going to pour this in there, but this is the original. See that? It's like a material. It's getting a little dry. You know, it's supposed to go 7 hours, and it has a long way to go. But it's the biofuel can. It's the regular can, or the do-it-yourself can from Fancy Heat can, which is fine. But I'm going to try to use this. So I'm going to pour some fuel in here, and I have to do it kind of slow. We'll try it. I have to do a Canteen Cup Tuesday. I'll use an alcohol stove with using computer parts. And just remember, when I took the computer part, I got 3 fans that could be adapted to anything with just a 9-volt battery or any type of battery setup, and it works. But so I'm just going to pour some of this in there and see what happens. I'm going to, again, let it soak. It's slow. I should have put it in the beginning, but so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour this in there, let it soak, I'll take it outside. We'll see how it works, man. Worth a shot. I saw the material. I have tons of this. And let me get back to, I want to show you what I did with this. Come on, bloody thing. Dual purpose, I suppose. This is for medication. My granddaughter's medication that comes with this packing. And again, it comes in lighter material like that, but and darker. So I took that same smaller piece they had, stuffed it in here. I could seal this up if I want, but I'm gonna leave it open. I left the plastic on it, make a little pillow out of it, and that's what I did. Give it a shot. I have a nice Thermarest pillow too, but it's small, it's nice. I can, you know, it's compact. So I'll get back. I got to fill this up. Let's see if we get this lit up. Yeah, she's going, man. Okay. That's going. That's going. Let's get the stuff going. Looks like the experiment is pretty good there. It's still pretty clean. It's burning down in there. I don't know if you can see it. Good enough for me. So, is it perfect? I don't know. It's pretty good though. Not bad for do-it-yourself. But yeah, let's just get this back on there. Whatever. But yeah. So there you go, man. Biofuel stove worked pretty good. Alcohol go hike stove worked good inside that computer part.